Hey, it's Andrew from Zappos, and today we'll be checking out the Air Zoom UNVRS from Nike. This awesome Nike FlyEase basketball shoe was designed and tested by WNBA player Elena Delle and features a breathable fabric upper. The unique lacing system is awesome. It features the FlyEase, which is a hook and loop strap that opens up with ease, uses Flywire technology to provide a secure fit right where you need it, and has these great detailing on the inside of the strap as well, explaining why this shoe is designed for everyone. Another cool feature is the collapsible heel that has a magnet so it latches down, allowing you to slide your foot in with ease and pops right back out. That way you can secure the hook and loop strap and go play. That also features padding on the collar and the Achilles area, a soft cushion footbed to help absorb shock that works well with the lightweight foam on the midsole that's gonna work with that as well. A full-length Zoom unit is gonna help absorb shock and keep you comfortable while you play. Lateral support. The shoe itself has a sturdy but flexible build and sits on top of a textured rubber outsole. All genders, all abilities, all origins, designed for everyone. Grab them today and step up your basketball game with this great shoe from Nike.